We are going to sell these Firestone airbags on our truck. It'll give us 5,000 extra pounds of suspension capacity. It doesn't increase the gross vehicle weight of the truck, but it just helps the truck become level when you're towing a heavy load, and it's just safer.
Come back over here. We're learning together. It's fun.
You're a good student. Yeah. You're a good student. You're a very good student. Yes.
What are we working, babe?
We are going to sell these Firestone airbags on our truck. It'll give us 5,000 extra pounds of suspension capacity. It doesn't increase the gross vehicle weight of the truck, but it just helps the truck become level when you're towing a heavy load, and it's just safer. That's what we're doing.
How much is it?
$500.
For both?
Yeah.
Okay. Retouching?
A little beautification.
So that is what you're doing, eliminates the rust?
Yeah, this is a POR 15. Directed metal, protective coating, no primer or undercoating needed.
Nice.
Really good product.
I'll share that where you can buy.
Get it off Amazon. It's not cheap, but it's a really good product.
Babe, how does it feel driving with the new tire versus the original tire from the dealership?
Not a whole lot different. Just with this bigger tire, you're sitting up just a little bit taller. You can feel that the tires are wider. The truck just feels a little bit more stable.
Okay.
Than the skinny little stock tires that were on it.
Mm-hmm.
And these are load range tires. These are 80 psi tires, so they're rated for 4,400 pounds of tire. So there's a lot of weight capacity on these tires.
So that's where the placement, huh?
It'll fit. It's just I go in there like that.
That is a bug!
That's a caterpillar.
Oh no! Take it away.
It can't hurt you.
Oh, it's gonna give you some itchiness.
No, I'll get it out of there. Hold on.
Ah! It's moving! What's that?
This is a support bracket. The upper support bracket that attaches to the frame here. That was a little too long. Shoot. We should have it in here. Let's see here. That 1/4 inch. Shoot.
You don't have it.
I don't. Metric one, 6mm maybe. Okay. Have to do it the long way.
Is that what they say as ballpoint? Is that
Yeah.
Is
Yes.
that what the hospital was telling me to buy?
Yes.
For the record, I'm still trying to sell hardware stuff, so I don't know the names of this. I'm learning from you. So not only I sell some chemicals, I sell some of these tools as well, but I cannot sell them until I learn. Check this, guys. Yeah. Where did you go? Do you want to help? That's a cute face. Do you want to help? Go and play.
These are DOT quarter-inch airline fittings, quarter-inch pipe thread on the bottom. Well, they're fixed. These swivel, so
Oh, nice.
they're a little bit better fitting. Gives you a little bit of adjustment. So, because I think you're gonna have to route these through the back, so it doesn't interfere with any up and down motion of the vehicle. Put a little thread sealant on them. Oh,
That's so liquid.
we got
Gotta shake it.
got to mix it up here. She's been sitting for a while.
Shake it, baby, shake it.
Been sitting there for a while, I think.
This is the name of it. Permidex. Is that what's the name?
Yeah. You sold it before.
It sells up to 204 degrees. Prevents leakage. Protects the thread. Anti-corrosion.
There we go. You just need to put it on the bottom portion of the threads here.
Are you eating those?
Don't do that.
No, you're gonna have a stomach pain. Don't eat the leaves. Don't do it. No, okay?
Okay. We have
Do you wanna come and help? Huh? What do you wanna help with? Huh? Yeah, sit down there. You're wet. Hey, your nose is wet.
pretty sure it goes like that.
That's how you do it.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to get it in there with that blanket in there.
Are you gonna fit it? Struggle. Will that it actually.
Now I'm going to have to something different here.
What's the plan? What's the plan, babe?
Well, I have my jack stands tied up at the camper, so I need to let the axle down or jack the truck up. You don't want an accident. That would be very bad, especially when I know better.
Zoe, we need help.
No. See how the frame's just going up? Now. That's what we want.
Oh, now you have the clearance.
On there, go.
Struggling how to fit that thing. The other one is that.
That is the right one. Left upper bracket.
But look at the left. It is.
Yeah. So let's
Switch it back.
that's the way it's gotta
Look at the
go.
left one. Yay. Success. She's literally eating the leaves.
Quit doing
Don't.
that.
Stop it. Stop eating the leaves. Huh? Stop it. You're fed.
Verify that with the video.
Verify it.
Yeah, I'm not taking it all apart again.
Are you ready? Ready? Yes, sir.
Just a better look, having the excess going to the inside. I'll come back and I'll torque those just to make sure. A little tricky getting it all lined up here. I'm going to tighten them up as evenly as you can. And we'll come back, torque those. Okay, that all looks nice and straight. I'm liking that. I'm loving it. Now we just got to install the airlines.
What are you installing, babe?
Huh?
What are you installing?
We are installing the airline to so we can air up the airbags.
For the content. It's sunny, but it's very cold, so I changed outfit. Ta-da, 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 ta. Make a spot. Are you the assistant today? Huh? Are you the assistant today? Wanna help? Help Tommy? Wanna help Tommy? Why are you a good girl? Why are you such a good girl?
I'm gonna turn this thing around.
That is so pretty out there. Yeah, guys. It's gonna snow very soon. Those leaves are turning so beautiful. But in exchange, we will get snow very soon too. Tommy is turning around so we can work on the other side of the... It's gonna be much more easier. So we'll do the right one. You just came back! You just came back!
Did you post pictures of the new rim?
So, where did you get your rims, babe?
American truck parts online.
American truck parts.
Online, yeah. Customers on that website that posted pictures of their trucks, and there's a lot of Dodge trucks with these rims on it, and they really look great on this truck. It's out there. It's really hard to make a decision on what's going to look best on your truck. You're like lot of money to take a guess, you know.
Most Dodge and Ram, no, most Ram owners goes in the.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of Ram trucks with these rims on them. Yeah.
Okay.
And they really look good. I like it.
Come back over here. We're learning together. It's fun.
You're a good student. Yeah. You're a good student. You're a very good student. Yes. Yes, you're a good student.
Look at the tail.
Yeah. Very good student. Check and see what we missed. I think I touched that side up pretty good. Yeah. Now we're talking.
That's a very fancy knee pad.
Uh-huh.
Look at that. Do you want to try the knee pad? Try it. Yeah. Pass the test? Pass? The knee pad is okay? It's okay. Good girl. Give me a paw. Give me paw. Give me a paw. 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 High five. That's insane. High five. Paw. Good girl.
Oh,
The
yeah,
other
this
paw.
is much better.
That's very good girl. Aww.
Much better. Bring the whole thing over. Thank you.
So we're on the right side. And it's totally different brackets out here.
Yeah.
Why is that?
It's because his frame's like different here for some reason. It's got a different bend in it. Yeah, that's it. Little persuasion. Turn it back.
gonna affect?
No, we're good. That's good. Okay.
It's so pretty down there.
Oh yeah.
Looks so pretty.
It's because I painted it all.
Are you fine? You're chilling here? You're fine? Can you smile? You can't. Oh my god. Yeah, for the video. I have to stick with you.
I am amazed.
This is rain or shine, babe. Are you learning? You too? Huh? What are you checking on? What are you checking? Babe, she's following you. She follows you around. Look. She's back.
Hi, baby. Baby girl.
Yeah, 2 pieces.
Sheathing on that table. Will you grab them?
Okay. He's asking for a sheen. So, I'm guessing it's this one. So we'll see if we got it right. Do you think this is correct? Let's go! Are we correct?
Yep.
Oh, we made it! We're right! Okay guys, both of you finish it and I'll be back. Mellow, you watch, okay? See you learn. Natawa si Tabo sa akin kasi for the content daw. I stayed outside with him in the cold. Totoo naman, parang nag-frozen na yung hand ko. Tsaka yung ilong ko namumula na. Grabe ang lamig sa labas. So, kailangan tapusin ko to. Did I miss something? Mellow? Did I miss something? Oh yeah, looking good and tidy. There you go. That too long?
You get my knife off that.
Ask me to get the knife. This is very obvious and simple. Mella's okay? Yeah? Good. Put it in air. Such a good girl. Ah. She likes your new pipe. You like it? Huh? It's gonna be a paw pad, not a knee pad. Ah, Mellow? How much piece I do need to put in?
Supposed to put 5 psi in there minimal, and then really it depends on the load that you have on your truck.
So initially we put 5 psi only
Initially, yeah.
and adjust it.
But I'm gonna put like 60 in there to test it to make sure it's not leaking.
Okay.
Instantly.
Really? It was very low. Oh wow, look. Just raises it.
Huh?
It raises.
Yeah, big time.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So,
So now,
are you releasing some? How are you gonna release some?
you just use that valve. I need some soapy water
Okay.
in a spray bottle with some dish soap in it,
Okay, I'll give you some.
so I can spray these fittings to see if they're leaking.
Okay.
I just want.
It's leaking?
No. Yeah, big bubbles.
Huh?
I said you'd have big bubbles if it was leaking.
Oh. That was it, guys. Tommy finished that project today. And the RV was almost empty except the kitchenware. So we are going to bring in new sheets, towels, anything that we thought that is necessary for the RV. We are going to Kentucky in Thanksgiving Day, and we are prepping everything. So this is our first try using the RV. So most of the items that we mentioned in this vlog are not sponsored, but I will do my best to put the link in the description. Maybe you guys are interested to look at it, and maybe you have projects the same way that we had. So look at the height of this truck, guys. You can tell, right? You can tell. All right, so thank you so much for watching our videos. I'll show you more as we go, and we will see you in our next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.